The access to buying e-vouchers is limited to the donors having 4 personally recruited persons in their group and having enough funds in their e-wallet to place the order. These e-vouchers can be used by prospective members during their registration process, or they can be used by existing donors to deposit some funds in their e-wallet in order to pay for their renewals. The prospect or the existing donor gives to the sponsor the value of the e-voucher in cash, and then the sponsor will give to the buyer the full code and number of the e-voucher. The newly registered donor can now take the time to open an account with PayPal if he or she wishes to. If you can manage to buy and sell e-vouchers, you will be able to make all of your transactions free of any fees. This is an option to consider very seriously. The subsection Purchase e-voucher is really very simple to use. You have the information of the balance of your account. You select the e-voucher for the country where it is going to be used if it is for a registration. If it is going to be used to deposit funds in an account, only the amounts of the e-vouchers are important. You choose how many e-vouchers you want to buy. You get the information of the cost, and you just click the button Purchase e-voucher. At the top of the same screen, you will receive confirmation of your purchase. Here you can see the new balance. If you want to buy another e-voucher, you just click on the Reset button and start the same process again. You can buy multiple e-vouchers at one time. However, the advantage of buying the e-vouchers one by one is that you are going to receive a confirmation email for each one of the e-vouchers you buy. That way, when you sell an e-voucher to someone, you just forward the email to your buyer. This can help you avoid mistakes when sharing the information of the e-voucher number and code. Once you buy the e-voucher, you go to the subsection E Voucher Bank. At the top of the screen, you can see that you have the information about how many vouchers you have bought, how many have been used, how many you have returned, and how many are available. In the first box called List e-voucher, you select if you want the box called e-voucher list to show you the e-vouchers that are available, the e-vouchers that have been used, or both together. If you want to find an e-voucher that has been used, you have to click on the circle of Used, and then you enter the username of the person who used the e-voucher in the search section. The requested information will appear in the second box. If you want to look for another e-voucher, you click on the button Reset, then Used, and then you enter the new username. The subsection Return e-voucher is very simple. If you want to return an e-voucher for some reason, you just enter the e-voucher number and e-voucher code by copying this information from your e-voucher list, or from the email you received for the confirmation of your purchase. If you copy the whole code and number at once, paste it in the first window. The software will place the information automatically in the 2 windows. You click Submit and your e-voucher will be eliminated from your subsection E-Voucher Bank, and the amount paid for the e-voucher will be credited back to your e-wallet. Another easy way to get the money back for the unwanted e-voucher is to deposit this e-voucher in the subsection Deposit Funds of your financial manager. All your returned e-vouchers will be listed in the last subsection of Manage e-voucher, called Returned e-voucher list. This ends this tutorial. See you in the next one.